Let us solve a problem. If cos theta equal to minus root 3 by 2 and theta lies in quadrant 3, find the value of all the other 5 trigonometric ratios. So here what we are given that cos theta equal to minus root 3 by 2, and also we know that theta, this is the angle lies in third quadrant. So we know the third quadrant, this is the first quadrant, second quadrant and third quadrant. So our angle theta here, it lies in the third quadrant, it is in the third quadrant. So in the third quadrant, it is in between the angle pi and 2 pi by 2, or in between the angle 180 and 270 degree. So what we have to do is we have to find all the other trigonometric functions. So here in the third quadrant, we know what is positive. Tan theta will be positive, the cot theta will be positive. We know ASTC, all sine, tan, cos. So in the third quadrant, tan theta and cot theta will be positive. All the others will be negative. Sine will be negative, cos will be negative, cos theta will be negative, sec theta will be negative, and cosec theta will be negative. Here we are given cos theta is minus root 3 by 2. So we have the value of cos theta to be negative. Why? Because theta lies in the third quadrant, the angle is in the third quadrant. So we have to now find out all the other trigonometric ratios. From cos theta we can find out sin theta using the identities. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This identity we have already seen, and we have the value of cos theta. So we want to find sin theta first of all. So sin square theta will be equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and sin theta will be equal to, taking square root on both sides, this value will be 1 minus cos square theta. Now we know that sin theta will be negative in the third quadrant because theta is in the third quadrant. So here we put a minus sign, because already from the quadrant system we know that it will have a negative sign. So we put a minus sign. Now 1 minus cos theta, we know the value of cos theta is minus root 3 by 2. So we put the value of cos theta and we have whole square. So we find out the value. This will be root 3 square is 3, minus and square is plus. So we have this. So taking the LCM, this will be 4 minus 3. So in this way, after calculating, we get it to be 4 minus 1 is 1, and by 4. So in square root of 4 is 2. So we have sin theta equal to 1 by minus 1 by 2. Now we have to find all other trigonometric ratios. From if we get sin theta, now cosec is easy. Cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. So put the value of sin theta, it will be 1 by minus 1 by 2. So this will give cosec theta will be minus 2. And from here again, tan theta we can find out. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta is minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2, and cos theta is, in the numerator we have cos theta, so we can write minus root 3 by 2. The value of cos theta is minus root 3 by 2. So this is sin divided by minus root 3 by 2. It comes in the numerator. So minus 2 and 2 cancel, minus and minus gets cancelled. So 1 by root 3. Tan theta is 1 by root 3. Now cot theta. We know cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So we can write reciprocal of 1 by root 3 is root 3. So we have all the trigonometric ratios: sine, cosec, tan, cot. One more we did not find out. From here we can get sec theta. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, that is sec theta is 1 by cos. So if we take the reciprocal of this, will be 2 by root 3. So in this way we can find all the trigonometric ratios if we know if you know one of the trigonometric ratio, and we know that the theta lies in the third quadrant. So here we see, after finding out the values, sine theta is negative, sec theta is negative because here it's negative. Now cosec theta is also negative in the third quadrant. We got the value to be minus. Tan theta is positive, here it is positive, so we get a positive 1 by root 3. There is a cot theta is also positive. So in the third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, rest are all negative, having negative sign, values having negative sign. So in this way we solve problems. Here another problem: if cos x equal to minus root 15 by 4 and x is greater than pi by 2 and less than pi. So x greater than pi by 2 means here pi by 2 is 90. X is greater than pi by 2 and less than pi. Greater than pi by 2 and less than pi means it lies in the x lies in the second quadrant. So in the second quadrant we know sine x will be positive. Here the angle is not theta, it is x, and cosec x will be positive, the rest will be negative. So we have to find the value of sine x. We know it will be positive because x is the angle here, x lies in the second quadrant. So let us solve the problem. From the identity we know sin x is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square x, and we don't have to put a minus sign now because it is x lies in the second quadrant and sin x will be positive in the second quadrant. So we know that the value of sin x must be positive. So in this way, after taking the square, we take the LCM. So what is this? Square root of 16 minus 15 will be 1 by 16. So this is square root of 1 by 16 will be 1 by 4. So the value of sin x, we got it to be 1 by 4. So this is the answer. So here only we have to find sin x. From here we can find, if we get sin x and cos x, then the rest of the trigonometric functions we get it easily, because cosec is inverse of sin x and so on.